So hey guys, OnePlus makes major design changes ahead of launch. Yes, the new render images of the OnePlus Open reveal some major design changes compared to what we have seen before. It seems like OnePlus has addressed some of the feedback they received from the Oppo Find N2 users and made improvements to their device. Before that, let me tell you, these render images have been made based on the pre-production unit pictures. Therefore, this is your best and most comprehensive look at the OnePlus's first foldable phone. So starting with the aspect ratio, OnePlus has made major changes to the aspect ratio of the phone affecting both inner and outer display. The new design shows a wider aspect ratio compared to earlier renders based on the early testing prototype. These changes is influenced by the Oppo Find N2 opting for a broader screen for a better content viewing and one-hand use. The most interesting thing is the OnePlus Open's overall size and display seems larger than Oppo's previous foldable phone. The display also features rounded corners and smaller bezels. Talking a little bit about frame redesign, the outer frame's corners now have rounded profile on the hinge side, adding style and ergonomic functionality. Unlike the outer back of the Oppo Find N2, the OnePlus Open has a flat outer frame. Speakers have been adjusted, shifting the top and bottom speakers' positions. The most highlighting part of the phone is the camera setup. The camera module has undergone big changes since the early renders. The new design reveals a large back camera module with a slightly updated design. The camera module protrudes more than the early prototype, featuring 3 large sensors including a periscope telephoto camera. A new sensor, possibly a time-of-flight sensor, is located beneath the H branding. The weird camera flash position is outside the camera island. The other design highlights are OnePlus Open will have the fan favorite alert slider and a power button with a fingerprint sensor. The back features an impressive flaw leather texture, offering a premium look and comfortable feel. Now the surprising part is OnePlus is launching it worldwide. Yes, OnePlus Open is expected to make its global debut on August 29 at a launch event in New York. OnePlus is also expected to make OnePlus Open available in Asia in the month of September. So what do you think about this OnePlus Open? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.